Today we talk about how can you find all information for your games you add to your favorites on your Flashscore app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on favorites down here. So when you click here on favorites, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on game you add to your favorites here, and it's going to show for you a list like this. So you just click in this sign here, then here you will find all list matches for this times you add, or these teams you add here. So then here standings here, and it's going to show for you here tip. So then here news of times of teams here, so it's going to show for you in this list. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.